Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for school and avoid plagiarism. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open in Google, that is ChatGPT, and then you need to open the first website. Here you need to click on Try ChatGPT. So I'm going to write here, write me, write for me an essay about my school, 100% unique. Click on enter, and now ChatGPT write an essay for you. So how you can check that it is plagiarism free? You simply need to go onto the Google and search here duplicate checker. Click on that. So here you can see that it is writing for me an essay. So I'm going to take two paragraphs from here to check. Then you need to paste here, scroll down and click on I am not a robot. Click on check plagiarism. So it will take a few seconds or minutes depend on your internet speed, and here it will show you the results about the plagiarism and the uniqueness of your art, of your essay. So it will take few seconds more. So here you can see that it is 100% unique and with zero plagiarism. But sometime if you find any plagiarism, you simply go to the website, that is paraphrasing tool, and with this website you can easily paraphrase your essay and you can use that in your school. So this is a process by which you can use ChatGPT for school and avoid plagiarism. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.